Hi everyone, and welcome to CIS 101 Computer Fundamentals and Applications. This is for the fall 2024 semester, and how excited I am that we are going to be working together to learn how to use and incorporate Excel and access into our daily lives as well as our professional lives. So as you can see, with Brightspace, because this is the first time that we're using Brightspace in the School of Professional Studies as well as in CUNY. Okay, so you'll see the announcements, and this is where you're going to find the announcements when the courses for the week, the assignments for the week are open. All right, you'll see the syllabus for your first week. All right, since we start classes on August the 28th, for the first week, I want you to take a look at your syllabus, read through your syllabus, and you don't have to memorize or write anything down because it's right here in introduction. If you take a look at what the introduction is, and it's asking you the task: review the syllabus and course info, introduce yourself, choose a team manager and team name, and familiarize yourself with the online textbook. Okay, and this is how you're going to introduce yourself. I give you specific instructions to do a video, no more than 2 minutes, in which you tell the class your name, your major, and the reason for taking the class. Okay? And the next thing that you're going to do is to decide on a team manager and a team name. What is your team? What are you folks going to think about? You can use a business term. You could use a computer term. This is not starting a business. This is what is the name that you're going to give your team. And the team members are the team members that you'll have for the rest of the semester. So I already incorporated your team and chose the teams for you. Okay, so you don't have to go through all of that. So very briefly, what you have to do for the first week starting August the 28th is to make sure that you familiarize yourself with Brightspace as much as possible, because I'm not giving you access to a whole lot of things. I just want to make sure that you're comfortable with the first week, the syllabus, course information, and the introduction, and also the name of your team. And you'll see where you're going to put the name of the team and where you're going to do all of your work. Remember, your assignments are going to be listed in the announcements page. That's where you're going to start with everything at the announcements page, and then you're going to go into week 1, week 2, week 3, whatever it is. All right. I look forward to working with all of you. Enjoy the semester. Enjoy the last days of summer, and enjoy the fall semester. Thanks so much, and I look forward to working with you and having fun with all of you. Thanks. Bye-bye.